Welcome to Sew for Self with LSC, where I teach you how to sew high fashion garments for yourself. Today, I'm going to show you in 2 parts how to make a comfortable high fashion jumpsuit. As you can see, I've already made one in denim. So using the same format, I'm going to make one in a colorful 100% cotton. Let's begin part 1. Start with 3 yards of cotton fabric or a medium weight denim fabric. Any type of medium weight fabric will do. You're going to fold it in half so you have a 3-yard rectangle. So you're measuring out 75 inches and you're cutting at 75 inches. We're going to work on this yard that we cut off. So you're just going to cut it this way. So you can have 2 pieces. So now you have 2 pieces. And sew them together here. Okay? Then you have 1 longer piece. Put it to the side. Let's go back to working with the 75-inch fabric that we have folded in half. So we're going to fold it in half again because we need to find the middle. Once you find the middle, the open side is where you want to just take a little snip out of it. So you know that's the middle. So now you need to connect these 2 pieces. So you open it. You know where your snip is for the middle of the fabric. And you know where this middle of this fabric is because you sewed it in the middle. And you want to put those pieces together. You want to sew them together. Right sides together. Now that you have connected all 3 pieces, the 75-inch wide piece is connected to the 2 half pieces that we cut. So now you have a big enough rectangle to make your jumpsuit. So now your rectangle is about 80 inches wide. So if you could find a fabric, the double folded fabric is about 120 inches wide, that would be perfect. You wouldn't even have to do all this extra steps. But since we don't, we have to do these extra steps. So now since we have a wide enough piece of fabric, we're going to fold it in half. So now it's time to cut off these excess pieces that we have. For later. Now flip it back over to the back. Remember the back of the fabric has your seam. Now we have a nice rectangle piece of fabric we can start working with. So remember our seam is where our center is, and we just want to extend that line so we know our center is here. So you should be working with about 37.5 inches that way and 37.5 inches that way on both sides. We need it to be 36 inches, so a yard, this way. Now you're going to cut. Okay. Now here is your 36-inch wide rectangle. Folded it up here, and you cut the extra off the bottom here. So now you just want to sew that bottom straight across. You're on the folded part of the fabric. You found your center line. You came down 6.5 inches, a notch, then 9.5 inches, and drew a notch. Now, the first cut, you're going to cut through both pieces to the 6.5 inch notch. Right on your straight line that you made earlier. Boom. 6.5 inches, and you cut through both pieces. The second cut is just going to be through the top part, which is the back. You're going to take that down even further to the 9.5 inch notch. Just the one back piece you're cutting through. You're not cutting through both pieces. You're just cutting through one piece to 9.5 inches. So you should have your 9.5 inch cut and your 6.5 inch cut. Okay? Still working on the top at the neck hole. You're going to measure from the center 10 inches and make a notch. I wish I didn't get white chalk. Same thing on the other side. So 10 inches here, 10 inches there. You're going to take your scissors and cut it straight down. On the side of the fold, just cut it in to your 10-inch notch. And then do the same thing on the other side. So right now, you should have 4 pieces, like so. 6.5 inches here, 9.5 inches, 10 inches, and 10 inches. From your 10-inch split, come down 6 inches, make a mark there, and then come down another 6 inches and make a mark here at 12. You're going to do the same exact thing for the other side. This is where your pocket is going to be. Thanks for watching part 1. Part 2 link is in the bio. Like, subscribe, comment, share, click that notification bell, and keep it high fashion.